I'd like to thank our sponsors. We can't run an event like this without support, and particularly I'd like to mention Irish Aid, Ireland Funds, MSD, Concern, Trinity College, and a host of people who have contributed in kind in different ways. Now, I think all conferences are unique and special, and for us this one is too, and for us the special thing is that this is the 10th anniversary of the Forum. The Forum was established in 2004, and we had our first conference here in Trinity. So it's nice to come back, and it's nice to look back and to see how far we've come and what we've achieved over the years. This is now our 6th conference. We've grown in our volume of activity. We've now over 700 members. We're now a more established organisation. We're a registered organisation. And so we're doing more of what we set out to do. And one of the documents that you will receive during the conference is the new strategy for the Forum for this year, for the next 3 years. And what it highlights is how we're continuing to work as a network. We bring people together, people come together to share experiences, to share knowledge, and that leads to collaboration in a whole host of areas. So lots of activity in the areas of education, in research, in development practice, in advocacy, etc. And that networking is continuing and continuing to grow. But perhaps the new aspect of our work is how we've developed into moving into more directly engaging in development. And that's particularly through partnerships, through facilitating, supporting and working in partnerships. So for us it's very apt that the theme of this conference is on partnerships. And one of the particular roles or functions that the Forum has taken on is to provide the Secretariat support for the Esther Ireland programme, which is part of the European Esther Alliance, which is an alliance, the European Alliance of Institutional Health Partnerships between European institutions and African institutions. So the theme of partnerships is important to us in the Forum because it's central to all that we do. But I think the other thing about this conference and the timing of it is, as we all know, this is coming up to 2015, the last year of the Millennium Development Goals, and then following that the first year of what the new goals will be. And so we are perhaps looking back and seeing what has been achieved through the goals. And we had 8 goals, and remember, partnerships is in the goals. The MDG 8 is Global Partnerships for Development. And that's always an interesting goal because it's a little bit different from the others. The other 7 are about what we're doing in development. This one is about how we do it. And perhaps it's very apt as we look back and see what's been achieved, what's not been achieved, look ahead to the kind of stubborn challenges that remain in development and how they're going to be addressed. How are we going to work, and how do we partner in addressing these challenges? So I think this conference will be a great opportunity to reflect on some of these challenges that we face, and I'm very much looking forward to hearing from different people, from presentations, and engaging in discussions, etc.